sensors trace my curves. They test how I will move. I shift, I grin, I wait. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. I love my own rhythm, but I might let you join. A step, a laugh, a glass, briefly the world bends. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. The unknown excites me. Every move could spark a stumble, a sway, a smile. I feel it in my chest. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. Soft rumble in my steps. Your laughter counts the beats. I stay calm, I admire every little motion, every hidden pull. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be electric touches thrill. I savor the sparks. Then I pause, I wonder, where does your warmth remain in all this motion? Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. How can you move like this? I'm caught, I breathe slow. How can you move like this? I need some quiet now. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. Chubby, be good. Since we stopped circling, I move differently, feeling my body again, remembering the pull.